Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. We got a great episode coming up. I'm going to go down to Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're going to go to celebrity chef Michael Symon's barbecue joint called MABEL'S. First up, I'm going to make a drink. Make sure you stay till the end where I'm reunited with my little chihuahua Mookie. So we're just going to do a very simple drink. It's called a Cran-Pineapple. So I got my whiskey glass here, little ice. We're going to use 2 ounces of Lamb's pineapple rum. We'll go a splash of pineapple juice. And then 4 ounces of cranberry juice. And then we're just going to finish it off with a little club soda to lighten it up. And that is a Cran-Pineapple. So coming up next, we're going to Vegas. The pork shank with horseradish gremolata. Apologies for the lighting. I was right under a eat more meat sign. It was by far the best thing on the menu. Super juicy and tender. He had 4 different kinds of barbecue sauce and one rub. It's the Cleveland mustard, the KC barbecue, the green chili, and the Texas hot. The Texas hot, I detected some habanero in there, and the rub was pretty good as well. And that's the ribs. That's the pork spare ribs. They'll run you $18, and that's without a side. I got the broccoli salad as an extra. I think they did throw in the cornbread for free and some pickles. But the pork shank was 100 times better than the spare ribs. The spare ribs were just okay. This is a Michael Symon celebrity chef restaurant. Of course, he's from Cleveland, and the original MABEL'S BBQ is located in Cleveland. Some of the TV shows Michael Symon was on, Iron Chef, Burgers, Brew Que, Food Feuds, The Best Thing I Ever Ate, as well as a line cook on the Iron Chef, the Cooking Channel, and the Chew on ABC. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie, and this is Mookie. And we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.